leave that one. No. This woman is not a good woman. But I don't blame her. Oh, exactly. Suzulu. I went to borrow money for that boy. That's the person that I blame. I got never na kwasiria. Igenwego. Hi.
Hey, I don't know what your problem is, so. But one thing is obvious. One thing is very clear. My son will never marry your daughter.
Jesus.
Anyachorosi poverty. Please take your daughter to somewhere else. Million level.
Don't talk like that. Eh? You are not God. If it was to be your daughter that another man used and dumped like that, you that I know will go to 7 shrines just to kill the person. I don't like evil. I don't entertain it. Eh? You know very well that your son owes Rose a lot. It's not good. It's okay. Eh? Woman leader Benagwa, hold the tears. I am glad that somebody else knows that someone visits different shrines. You know, it's always been a secret in this village. But not to worry. They said my daughter is poor. Hey, let them wait and see. My daughter will grow and get there. Amen. Except it's not the God that I know sitting up there. I'm looking at you, yes. You have to enrich my daughter. Amen. Give her now.
Rose, how are you?
I'm fine, but not too good.
Mama. What is the problem?
Ma, please, I need your help.
What is it?
I need a loan to start small business. I am just tired of this hawking and menial jobs that I'm doing.
Oh, I will help you. Eh? But like, how much are we looking at?
Like 100,000. You know, I need to get a shop and also buy some goods in Onisha.
But remember, our loans are not for free. You have to bring a collateral or get someone that is going to shorty you. Then we'll give you a form. Then after 6 months, you pay us back with. But after 6 months, Rose, 6 months later, you pay back the money with interest.
No problem, ma. I'll come back tomorrow with someone who will shorty me. Thank you so much, ma.
I know you to be a hardworking girl. Don't worry.
Thank you
I will
so much,
talk to the woman president to approve it for you, okay?
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Good girl.
Thank you,
bye
ma.
bye.
Thank you, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, doctor.
Hey, how is your mother?
She's fine.
Where are you heading to this morning?
I'm going somewhere along the road.
Okay, do you mind if I just drop you off?
Okay. You've been so nice to us, and I'm beginning to wonder why all this kindness from you.
It's my nature to help people that have issues. Is anyone with it?
No, not at all. But you know, as the saying goes, nothing goes for nothing. But all the same, I'm grateful.
Okay, you sound so intelligent to me. Why are you not investing?
I have a plan, and very soon I'll start school. Thank you so much.
All right, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Doctor. Obim.
What is going on? Must you be in his car?
Obim, nothing is going on, no. I went to see the Ophobi Women Committee leader and I saw him and he decided to give me a lift. Is there anything wrong with that? It's only God that knows what is going on in your head.
So, what did she say? The Ophobi Women's leader.
I am not telling you until you welcome me very well.
All right, please. Come in, come and sit down. Come. Should I get you malt?
You did not clean the seat. In fact, I'm not sitting down. Clean it very well. Leave it.
Should I get you malt?
Oh, you think you can bribe me with malt, Okwaya?
Oh, you don't want malt? Okay. Do you want the other one?
No. I prefer malt. Get me malt,
to
please.
My...
No. Get me malt. Oh, Bim, you're so naughty. Go, please. You're so naughty.
Woman leader, Nandre baby.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And look at you. Well done, you're looking good.
Thank you. God has been so faithful.
He is always faithful, that's why he's God.
Your daughter Rose,
yes,
came to us for assistance.
What assistance?
Yes. She said she needs money to start up a small business. That's what she told me.
Okay.
See that your daughter, eh?
Yes.
She is so responsible and hardworking. Everybody in this community can testify to that.
Uncle Chupu. Oh, Chupu.
I've talked to the women president about it. And she said I should come and tell her that as soon as she brings the shorty,
yes,
that the money will be made available to her. So that's what I came to tell you.
That's really nice. I will tell her when she comes. It's just that she didn't even mention to me that she was taking money. But it's okay. Knowing my daughter, she thinks ahead of time. All the too intelligent. So I'm sure she has something serious planned.
No problem.
But I'll tell her all you said.
This one you are dressed like this. Where are you going to?
My mother's brother died, though. So I'm going for the burial next tomorrow. I just need to buy 1 or 2 things. Oh,
to see
also, death is a natural thing. I enjoy and watch her, but we don't know what day.
It is well, eh?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, now no
You're
problem.
looking so good.
Thank you. Alright, no problem.
See you.
Alright.
In short, I'm marching right behind you.
Okay.
But Rose didn't tell me she was going to collect money from anybody. Which is not big way I'm making it. Anyway, I guess I'll find out when she comes back.
See, it's not like I'm trying to impress you. If I loves me and he wants to come and pay my bride price. Why are you laughing now? Am I not making sense?
Ujunwa, listen to yourself. You make no sense in what you just said. Everybody in this village, including you and I, knows that Ifeanyi is engaged to Rose. And you want Ifeanyi to come and marry you. Are you okay? Can you listen to yourself? Is your brain leaking?
Ifeanyi loves me, yes. He gives me money every time. He takes care of me more than you can even imagine. Oh yes. And he has promised to dump Rose and come and do the needful. He said it's either me or he dies.
Really? Are you pregnant?
Who is pregnant? Pregnant. See, I am not pregnant. Gossip. My tongue is just biting me. Yes. Please, don't go and start spreading the rumor in the village I'm pregnant.
silly girl is pregnant.
I can see you want to finish this drink.
I'm going. This silly girl is pregnant. I knew it.
Rose! Rose! Sit. Sit. I want to discuss something very important with you. I got to hear that you have an intention to borrow some money from the church. You never told me about it, but I would like to know, what are you using the money for? What are you using the money for? You can't answer. But if you you will tell me, what are you using the money for?
The money is for Ifeanyi to buy his ticket. His visa is out, but there's no money to buy tickets. So...
Hi! Chime Buemo! Is it again? The money is for you. Hey! I've always known you're stupid with the way you've been taking care of Ifeanyi. Man, I'm a fool! A compound fool for that matter. Eh? You're borrowing money to send a man abroad. You fell out there, May. As per what? And you were not even going to tell me about it. Let me warn you now. Better cancel that idea. I'll show me no film about borrowing money from any church. And if a man that has not even done anything on your head, no introduction, nothing formal. You try to borrow Lego to send him to Malaysia. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hey! I even thought you wanted to borrow the money to start up some kind of legitimate business. I'm not needing a borrow ego because of love. I'm an idiot. What will you cook and cafe? I'm not fear. What is it? Eh? So, Mama, go away. Leave us alone. What is it? Eh? This is my husband's house and I have my freedom here.
You are pushing me away.
If I make a problem, I go at problem. I have visitors problem, Mama. What is it, Mama? If not for one thing, I would have beaten the hell out of you.
You are pushing me away. From the house, I say,
Mama, leave this house. Leave this house. What is it?
I didn't say I'm okay, Peter. Look, I saw you have the heart to push me away, your mother-in-law, from my husband's house. Oh, it will never be well with you.
Mama.
You will never see good thing in your life.
Mama, one more word from you and I will beat the hell out of you. Mama, go away from here. Go away from here. Go away from here. What is it? Who terrorist in my husband's house?
I didn't say what.
What did you terrorist?
You put my mom. Stand up first.
Go to your husband's house and go and stay there. Go to your husband's house. This is my husband's house.
So you come
out. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is it? What is it? What is it?
You have the mind to push my mother down. Arinze, please. Please, Arinze.
Your mother is a witch. She must leave this house today. What? You must leave this house.
What did you say?
Your mother is a witch.
She's a witch.
Yes, she's a witch.
Arinze, leave her. No, you don't.
Mama, I have to leave this house. Mama, you will leave this house today. Mama, you will leave this house.
Arinze, please. You don't have the right to beat her. Huh? Oh, but she cannot push her mother down now. Don't worry. Don't worry, please, leave her. You don't have rights to beat her. Biko Wam. Please.
Omonogaru?
No.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Arinze, please come and drop me off. I want to go back to the village now. Oh, no, my husband's house. I went to Akansi. Hey!
Easy, easy. Don't worry now, don't worry. Okay.
My son, please, don't chase her away. You have a very beautiful daughter, and she needs both of you to grow. Please, my son, this is the handwork of Satan. Biko Wam. Do not raise your hands on any lady, please.
Mama, she has no right to insult you.
Forget about it. It's me that she insulted. Biko.
Well, let me just drop you first.
Please, don't beat a lady. Don't ever raise your hands on beating any woman.
Okay.
Please, my son, please. Did you hear me?
Mazi, it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. She left my house. She went and picked my daughter from the school. And they left. Her phone is not going through. I don't understand though.
Doc, we are as confused as you are. She did not come here. We don't know her whereabouts. Huh? And the whole thing baffles me.
I know what to do. 2 weeks, the same story. I'll go to police and make statement now. Since it's like this.
Doctor, listen to me. She will come around. Just let's wait for some time. She will come around. Maybe when she cooled off. Hey, you don't involve police yet in this. Not yet time for that.
Mazi, it's the same old story. For 2 weeks now, the same old story. I know what to do. Mas,
no problem, Doc. I will still look around that way. Sophia, you have to go back to your husband's house.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere.
Why are you frustrating that man?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going back to that house. This marriage is over. He's going to hear from my lawyer.
Sonia, what is wrong with you? I'm warning you, Sonia. I'm warning you. What is all this? No problem.
It's over 4 years. Oh Lord, please protect her. Protect her and bring her back to me. She's all that I have.
Calm down now. Why are you panicking like this?
It's been more than 40 minutes now, and she's not here yet. God, I beg you. Please, God, please. This is our future. Our future. Biko.
Ifeanyi, just relax. I know she will soon be here. And as far as I am concerned, I know they will give it to us. I don't know why you're so worried like this. Just calm down. Stop getting too excited and allow me do the talking.
Alright. I'm calm now.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem, leader. No problem.
This is 100,000 naira. Make sure you pay back at the right time.
Inside of you. Yeah, of course, because baby, you know when God wants to do something great, the devil brings obstacles. Please, let's go to the shop, okay?
We're supposed to go to your house now and celebrate. The drama going on there does not concern me.
I don't have time for this, okay?
What?
Let's go to the shop so that I can pay money for my ticket. Please.
It has nothing to do with you now.
Meet me at the shop.
No, now, wait.
Meet me at the shop.
Ifeanyi.
Wamaka.
Ifeanyi.
I don't have time. I told you, let's go. Go. Meet me at the shop.
Ifeanyi, come out here. Come out here. If you like wrong, then you are right in the market. You must pay for. She is pregnant for you. You, Akogwangagwa. You Naija. Oh my God, if you get, have you seen it? Have you seen what you have done to yourself? I want you. I'm saying this so that everybody will hear my voice, so that the whole world will hear my voice. Ifeanyi, you must marry her, and you. Shameless girl! You're pregnant, Abby. Now, stay here. I don't want to see you anywhere close my house. If I see you, I will not see you in my life. I'm not there. Shameless girl! Nonsense!
Is it true that she's pregnant for Ifeanyi? Yes, so. They've been dating since. She even told me that Ifeanyi wants to come and pay her dowry. It's a pity. Wait, let me tell you, wait. See, Ifeanyi is on the run. You don't need to go and look for him. He's on the run. He's not picking her calls too. You see what I told you? I've been telling you this is leave Ifeanyi alone. You will not hear. Stop crying. Stop crying. Let's go.
Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi, come out here! Come out here if you like wrong. You have priced the market. You must pay for. She is pregnant for you. You! Akogwangaba! You know Ajayi! Oh my God, if you get, have you seen it? Have you seen what you have done to yourself? I want you! I'm saying this so that everybody will hear my voice. So that the whole world will hear my voice. Before you must marry her. And you, shameless girl. You're pregnant, Abby. Now, stay here. I don't want to see you anywhere. Close my house. If I see you, I will not see you in my life. I'm not there. Shameless girl. Nonsense.
Is it true that she's pregnant for Ifeanyi? Yes, so. They've been dating since. She even told me that Ifeanyi wants to come and pay her dowry. It's a pity. Wait, let me tell you, wait. See, Ifeanyi is on the run. You don't need to go and look for him. He's on the run. He start picking her calls too. You see what I told you? I've been telling you this is leave Ifeanyi alone. You will not hear. Ningba, stop crying. Stop crying. Let's go.
I never slept with her. I never slept with her. To God, I never slept with her.
I kept asking you, were denying it. Now she's pregnant for you. You couldn't even enter your house because you could not face her mother.
Baby,
if you're wicked,
I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I swear, I'm innocent. Please.
After all the things I've done for you, this is how you pay me back. Hey, Ifeanyi! You are wicked, Ifeanyi.
It's not like that. Please, no, baby, please now. Because Rose! Rose!
Doctor. Ebia. Rose. Doctor, Kenny, what happened?
I don't know. I saw her crying on the road and I had to go force her to enter the car.
Nagini,
she has been crying since. I don't know.
Because doctor.
You people came here to disgrace yourselves and not me. I don't blame you.
Why are you talking like this now, eh? I'm pregnant for you and you're saying all these things to me. Why?
I can see you're not a serious person. Huh? You were sent from hell to come and destroy my life, but you have failed. If you are pregnant, Wopia, take it off. Get it off. I'm not fear. Now get out of here.
Ifeanyi, I'm pregnant for you. You better come and see my people.
By the time I count to 3 and you're still here. Who will not have peace in his own house? Huh? Only Allah.
Rose, where are you going? Rose, I beg you, Bali Pueje. Hi. Chimo, eh? God of the widows. Neno, I don't know what is happening to my daughter, but Amana, you know. Please save me, save her. Eh? Protect her. Can you see Kebifa?
We are talking about. Rose! Rose! I know you can hear me. You're hiding. I've been to your house 4 times now and you're not there. It's getting late. I want my passport. That's all I want. This is my future we are talking about. What kind of rough play is this? Rose! 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 All right. Rose! Rose! Oh, Mama. Good evening. Good evening, Mama. Where is Rose?
Rose, what?
Yes, I've been looking for her all over. As a matter of fact, I've been to this house like 4 times today.
But what is the problem? You're just shouting like there's something going on. Oh, Giddy, what is wrong?
Mama, there's a problem.
What is the problem?
I am not happy.
What is the problem?
Rose took my passport.
Wait.
She came to my house and took my passport.
Are you calling my daughter a thief? Nah, because change this chapter. Can I call you false?
Mama, I am not just calling her a thief. I am saying what I know, Mama. She took it. There's nobody in this village that knows where I kept my passport. Just Rose and I.
Nah, if I change the chapter, can I call
Mama, I know what I'm talking about.
There's no way Rose would steal your passport.
There's nobody else that can take my passport, Mama.
I heard him. I did not take your passport.
Rose, what are you talking about? Why did you take my passport? You and I know very well that you took my passport. You're the only one that knows where that passport is. I want my passport back. Please.
Rose baby without thorns. You know you will always tell your mother the truth. Look me in the eyes and tell me the truth. Did you take his passport?
Yes, I did.
Oh, I said it. Are you now an enemy of progress?
Yeah, what exactly is going on between both of you?
You see this bastard, this idiot, this idiot that I've been helping, that I've been giving my hard-earned money to. Mama, I did menial jobs just to build our future. I gave him all my money. Mama, I even had to borrow from the church just for him. How did he pay me back? To impregnate Ujoma's daughter.
It's a lie. It's a fat lie, Mama.
Shut up! Shut up!
I'm not responsible for it.
Shut up!
Ujoma is only forcing herself on me. I never did such a thing, Mama.
Oh, if I is
how?
You ran away. You could not even face her mother the day they came to your house.
Oh.
If you think I'm a fool, Akwaya, you think I'm a fool. Let me tell you, I know about all those nights that she used to spend in your house. I knew everything. You're so wicked.
She's lying against me. It's all a lie.
Let me announce to you, I took your passport to Iyojish. What? I urinated on it, and as a dad of this village, you swear your innocence before you take your passport.
Hey, what is all this? What is all this now, Rose? What are you doing? What are you doing now? I've done nothing wrong, Mama.
Okay, you're still asking me, Abby.
We have a future. What are you doing?
What future? Wait. I'll show you the future we have.
Rose, Mama, I just want my international passport. Rose!
Yeah, idiot. Get out of the God will punish you. Don't that go get bang. Me not gonna get future. Mama, why are you crying? Mama,
I'm not crying. I am not because of Emma. I am not crying.
I'm going to deal with this idiot. Just calm down. Calm down. Mama, but you're good in the mood. I'll show you. If I get. I'm going to get
Stop.
Take your passport. Let God be the judge between both of us.
She's fine? Are you sure?
She's okay.
To sleep this long?
Yes.
Okay, if you say so.
Mama, she's okay.
Okay.
Can you please follow me?
I'm here.
No, yeah.
Hey, Papa. Mba, doctor, that's not possible. Someone can get syrup here and move out. No, it's not possible.
Mama.
Eh? Doctor, what if she wakes up?
My nurse is here. Yeah?
But she will look for me.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Hi. I'm coming. I'm coming back. What's your mausoleum? Eat your food and take your drugs. For how long do you think you will continue crying for a man that is outside the country? Not just that he's not in the country, he doesn't even care about you. He has not called you. Are you going to kill yourself because of him? Okay, Bedebezia, stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. Oh? It's okay. It's okay. Don't hurt yourself. You just came out of hospital. It's okay. Ebezina, oh? Let me go and feed the goats. I'm coming. Let me go. Ebezina.
Strong,
I'm strong now.
Hey.
I'm strong now.
Get him.
I don't come here,
Okay, Rose are not where?
On there. Rose!
Hey.
Rose! Hey, so how is the hospital?
Doctor.
Rose, how are you?
I'm fine, welcome.
Hey. I got this for you. It's a jam form. Just fill it and pray yourself for the exam.
Oh, thank you.
Hey. Thank you. But I'm not interested. I never discussed any of this with you. I'm not writing any exams, so... Mama, I will be inside.
Doctor, Biko, give me the form. Anyway, I will give it to her to fill. She must sit for jam. Thank you so much.
For
your concern, darling. No.
Biko. Oh? What I can look link.
Can I go nurse? Canada and young million combovana. Thank you.
All right, man.
Rose. Rosie Barpolo. Rosie Barpolo.
Rose, how are you? I'm happy you came.
Thank you, doctor. I have filled the forms. I finished filling them, but...
Before I got this form for you, I know that you will need financial assistance. But don't bother yourself. Just do your best and pass your exam.
Doctor, thank you so much, sir. But, Dr. Arinze, why are you helping us? You saved my mother and she prays for you every night. And now these jam forms. Doctor, thank you.
Rose, I come in peace. You know, someone some time ago helped me. Just like what I'm about to do for you now. Okay? So don't worry yourself. Go and read your books. Alright?
Thank you,
Have
doctor.
a wonderful day. Yeah?
Thank you, doctor.
Well done. I really need to study.
Thank you.
Another papa.
Thank you. Mama, this life is full of lessons.
Every day.
The good ones and the bad ones.
How come?
Do you know that it's over 6 months now? Ifeanyi has not called nor sent me a message.
Oh, Ifeanyi. So you're still thinking about Ifeanyi? Instead of you to concentrate on your studies and pass, in all Ifeanyi. Biko.
Mama, you don't understand. You don't understand what I did for Ifeanyi. I sold my future to make sure he traveled. But at my back, he was seeing another girl. He even got her pregnant. Now he's been the one taking care of her, sending her money. Mama, men are wicked.
Not all men are wicked. Ifeanyi in particular is a wicked man. And because stop thinking about him and concentrate on your studies. You start crying again. And I don't have the energy nor the patience to go through that exercise again with you. Concentrate on what you're doing. You have a bright future. If you study hard and you pass, you have a bright future. Ifeanyi your future. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because it's short, you can't just never come and Ifeanyi. When you're done reading, you come inside. Because you can't cook Ifeanyi number that.
Yes, I'm back. I'm back, Mama. I'm back. Annie is back.
Where's the money?
Mama, wait.
Annie Butego.
Mama.